Well, if you're watching this video right now, you might be doing a bit of research on affiliate marketing landing pages, okay? So over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to design some great affiliate marketing landing pages, no matter what you're trying to sell on the internet, all right? And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I always come up with training that will teach you how to build a more profitable online business. So consider subscribing if you want. Also, you can grab my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies at any time by just clicking the link in the description box below. You don't have to wait till the end of this particular video, okay? So if you can watch the screen right now, this is actually my ClickFunnels account right now. If you want to build really good landing pages, squeeze pages, capture pages on the internet, you need to invest in some sort of funnel builder, okay? Now the one that I use is ClickFunnels. There are a lot of other funnel builders out there. You don't have to use ClickFunnels, but I like to use them because I've tested all the different ones out there. Literally, you can just go to Google very quickly and you can type out, let me show you. You could just type out top funnel builders, right? And you'll get a list of them, okay? And 11 sales funnel builders. There are lots of different websites that will show you this. Look, top 5 best funnel building software for 2018. 22 top marketers share their favorite funnel tools, that kind of thing. So you can check it out if you want, right? Now I've tried a lot. Whether it's Insta pages, optimized press 2, megaphone lead pages, Builderall. There are so many different ones. A lot of them are very clunky, they're quite basic. I still highly recommend ClickFunnels. It's still the best, I think. Slightly more expensive, but you get what you pay for, okay? ClickFunnels is the Ferrari of ClickFunnels. Look, if this is going to be the spine of your business, then I recommend that you don't be cheap, okay? Invest in something that's good, something that will be here tomorrow. They have an amazing business, an amazing team. Probably the most profitable and biggest funnel building company out there, okay? Anyway, so it doesn't matter. Look, if you decide that you want to use something else aside from ClickFunnels, just take the overall strategy that I'm teaching you right now in this video and you can use it for whatever funnel builder you want. It doesn't really matter, okay? So this is the funnel that I've built here. This was for one of the classes that I did. So I'm just gonna go in here and show you what it generally looks like, okay? Now this is what I designed on one of my training classes, and look, it's a very simple opt-in form, right? Now you want your affiliate marketing landing page to be simple, okay? The more complicated you make it, generally speaking, the lower your opt-in rates. Now you have to understand that depending on your traffic, your landing page might have to look slightly different. So it depends on where you're getting your traffic from, right? If you're getting your traffic from Facebook, unfortunately, you can't use a landing page like this because Facebook doesn't like landing pages like this. It must be a lot more complex. You have to have all your, your legal links and all that stuff, your about to section, your about us section and all that stuff. So you can't use a landing page as simple as this. But for most other things, you can. So if you're using solo traffic, if you're doing YouTube marketing, if you're doing influencer marketing, you can generally use simple capture pages like this, okay? And so, the emphasis of your landing page needs to be right in the middle, okay, right here. And a lot of it has to do with what you're actually saying on your landing page, okay? And so let me give you a great strategy that will teach you how to build the most effective landing page, I think, okay? So here is a quick little form here, right? And this is the formula, okay? This is the formula for high opt-ins, okay? So I always, do something like, how to, right? That's very, very important. Get a result, okay, without doing the thing they hate, okay? And that is really the formula. It's very, very simple, all right? So what you want to do is you have to understand that if you're trying to sell some sort of affiliate product, right, you have to think about what is the product that you're trying to sell, right? Are you selling weight loss? Are you selling, if you're teaching someone how to get six-pack abs, are you doing internet marketing? Are you showing someone how to generate more leads through YouTube, right? Are you teaching someone how to play the guitar, in the next 15 days, right? It depends on what you're selling, okay? So based on what you're selling, you have to make sure that your title of your opt-in form, your landing page, speaks directly to the pain of your audience, okay? So an easy, example, and I like to give this example, is weight loss, right? So maybe you're teaching someone how to get six-pack abs, Okay, again, weight loss is a very big sector, so you don't want to just do weight loss in general. You want to be very specific. You want to either teach someone how to, lose an additional 3 inches off their waist so that they can fit into their wedding gown for their wedding, right? That might be a particular niche. Or you might, focus on guys and say, hey, listen, if you want to get that sexy beach body and those sexy six-pack abs, then that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. So it's a niche within a niche, if that makes sense, right? If you're too general, if you're just doing general weight loss, then you're not really going to sell that much stuff. You have to go as narrow as you can, a niche within a niche, if that makes sense, right? So let's just take the six-pack ab example here, right? So I might say something like, okay, my result is going to be how to finally get those six-pack abs, okay, so think about it, right? Most guys want to get six-pack abs, but it's one of the most difficult things to get, okay? It's just the truth, right? Because you have to understand how to do it, you have to work very hard, you have to diet and all that stuff. So first of all, this is the result that they want, right? How to finally, because maybe this person has been trying to do it for a while, how to finally get those six-pack abs without doing the thing that they hate, right? Okay, so what could be the thing that they hate doing without starving yourself constantly and spending 3 hours a day in the gym? Okay? Now, the thing is, when you understand how to get six-pack abs, you don't actually have to starve yourself, okay? You have to diet. You have to diet smartly, cleverly. You have to eat the right foods, but you don't have to starve yourself, okay? And a lot of people think that you have to starve yourself to get six-pack abs, right? The other thing as well is you don't have to spend 3 hours a day in the gym. You have to go to the gym and you have to work out maybe 30 minutes to 60 minutes, but you don't have to do it every day, and you don't have to spend 3 hours a day in the gym, right? So this is all true, by the way, yeah? Now, obviously, you need to understand your space, and you have to understand what the pain is, and what is the thing that they hate doing, or what is the thing that people think they have to do in order to get that result, right? Now, I'm very familiar with this space. That's why I know about this stuff, which is why you need to research your space and understand what people want to get and what they hate doing and what they think that they actually have to do, which might not be true, okay? Now, if you do this, this is a very, very effective way to get someone to opt into your list, okay? And if you do it properly, like this, so maybe I copy this over and I go back here into my, into my ClickFunnels account, right? I might pop that in here, okay? So there you go, how to finally get, obviously I want to make this look a little bit nicer, right? How to finally get those six-pack abs, and I'm going to bold that, right? Without, maybe italicize that, starving yourself constantly and spending 3 hours a day in the gym. Maybe I underline that. Underline it here, okay? And then I want to play around with it because it still looks a little bit funny there, right? So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to play around with the size, make sure it looks good. So I think just like that. Make maybe just a little bit smaller. Remember, it's also about the aesthetics, okay? It's not just about what you say, but it's also about the aesthetics of how this looks, right? So, what I would probably do is I would go back in here and I would capitalize all the, the front letters, because that just looks better, okay? But I'm not going to do all that now. Maybe just the first sentence here, but you want to go back and make sure that it looks nice, okay? Because if it doesn't look nice, it's going to affect your conversions, right? Now, what you also want to do is you want to make sure that you have to decide for yourself, are you going to ask for their name and their email address? Or you're just going to ask for their email address? Because the thing is that if you ask for more information, your opt-ins go down, okay? The more time that someone has to spend on your landing page, the less likely they're going to opt in, okay? So that's why a lot of the time I just ask for the email address. Now, you might want their name. It depends on you, right? So this is your business. You have to decide, and you can split test this as well, all right? And you have to think about, what are you actually giving them? How is this person going to find out about this actual information? Are you going to be sending them an ebook? Are you going to be sending them a video series? Are you going to be sending them a podcast, an audio, an MP3, an MP4, whatever it is, right? What are you actually sending them, okay? So maybe in this example, I might be sending them a video series, right? So I'm going to say over here, access the free video series now. right? I might decide that I want to do that. And again, the thing with ClickFunnels is it's really powerful. You can just change all these things and add things and get rid of things really, really quick. That's why it's a great tool to use, right? Now I might save this and I might want to have a look at what it looks like on the other side. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to, integrate the email and all that kind of stuff, because, you can learn how to do that with whatever funnel builder you're using. I just wanted to show you that a great affiliate landing page is going to be very simple, and it's very much about the actual title rather than anything else, okay? Now, the great thing is that if you want to split test, and I highly recommend that you split test, okay, and you can use ClickMagick. ClickMagick's a great tracking tool, and all the resources are below if you guys want to check it out. Completely up to you, right? But what I would do is I would create 2 or 3 of these landing pages. I would change the title. I would leave everything the same. I would change the title, and I would split test them to see which one gave me a better opt-in rate. That's it. Okay, because that's all you really have to do, right? I wouldn't worry about the background and stuff like that. Once you find the landing page that has the best title, the best opt-in rate based on the title that you're testing, okay, then I would go back and I would change things like the colors. I would change the background, the different colors. I might make the background brighter or lighter. I might change the entire picture completely. I might even add a picture of the video series. So if I wanted to, I could like add a little element right here. I could add an image, and inside of this image I might decide that I want to add a picture of the video series, right, or whatever it is. So just to give you an example, right, so I might use that. Now this is obviously the wrong example, because this is a secret. This is an ebook, right? It's not a video series. But I just wanted to show you that. And obviously this is too big. But I might make it smaller here, or I might even make it even smaller like that. But you get the idea, right? So you can test different things. You can show them the actual what's called a lead magnet. Or you might decide that you don't want this here, and you're just gonna get rid of it, and you just want the text, right? So I like to use just a lot of text, to be honest. But that's kind of how you would design your landing page. And then what you want to do is you make sure that you lead the right amount of traffic, the right traffic, because you have to find people that actually want to get 6-packs. Right? So if you're sending people that are female, or maybe they don't want to get a 6-pack, or they're interested in golf, or they're interested in gardening, or they want to learn how to play the guitar, then if they land on this landing page, they're obviously not going to opt in, because they're the wrong audience, right? So you have to learn how to attract the right audience that want to learn how to get a great beach body and great 6-pack abs to this particular landing page, so that you maximize your opt-in rates and you build a relationship with them, and then you can recommend them products on the back end. Okay, now learning how to convert these people that opt in, that's a whole different training altogether. All right, and if you want to learn how to do that, I teach you how to do that in a lot of my trainings on my channel, okay? But I hope that you enjoyed this video today, okay? Remember that, websites like, or funnel builders like ClickFunnels, they've got a lot of different templates, right? So this is one template, but there are literally like 30, 40, 50 templates in their back office that you can pick and choose, right? It's not so much about the template, it's more about what you're saying in the title, which we just spoke about, okay? So if you implement what I just spoke about here, you're gonna get some amazing results, all right? Because what you're doing is you're focusing on the pain of your potential customer, and you're teaching them how to solve that pain. And when you do that, that's when you get some tremendous results, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know in the comments below. Did you get some value? Tell me what you learned in this video today. I would love to hear that. And if you got some value, would appreciate some thumbs ups, okay? And listen, if you want to learn how to do this, because this is only one part of the overall puzzle that you need to learn how to solve when it comes to affiliate marketing, okay? So if you want to learn how to build a proper 6-figure affiliate marketing business, I want to teach you how to do it. So everything from the capture page to what you show them in the background, the whole value series, how to attract the right audience to you, how you brand yourself, how to create authority, how do you really get people to want to buy products from you, okay? Which is very, very important, right? A lot of people don't know how to do that. They just promote products randomly, they don't get any sales, and they wonder why they're not making any money in their affiliate marketing business, right? Because there's a lot more to it than just sending random traffic to a random landing page. I hope that makes sense, okay? So if you want to learn how to do that, all you have to do is click on the link right below this video, enter your best email address, and I'll send you a video that's going to show you in 7 steps how to build this all out properly, and hopefully you can replicate exactly what I'm doing, build yourself your own 6-7 figure business if that's what you want. And I hope that you got a ton of value from this training today. Speak to you in another video. Take care.